Hi family and friends, welcome to the second part of my solo travels in Idukki. I woke up early and cycled about 5 to 6 kilometers to reach this beautiful hill park near the Idukki Dam. Just look around, I really admire how well this place is maintained. It has a playground for children and spots for adults to talk about life. I can hear the birds singing, though I am sorry my camera could not catch their sound because of the strong wind. The air here is fresh and the flowers smell wonderful. This iconic dam reminds me of the Badapani or the dam site we have there in Shillong. Ngapat ngalong kum usir lapalang na bathem ngami banwan kay pangat siya ni banwan bam kala bapangat siya ni siya Idukki. Pias ng kumno perloge kan kajaka itanat na em hanga marwete ng itanat siya na markaya srimba ya ka damsa jungi badan siya te Shillong te ngarung so tanat kawe na marba por bangwan rung igit kipar in padon te ngayo free bangun rung siya jaka petkai nanta mentapat nama kam tangan kendiat nama ngampat ni siya te endang lami na kaneka jaka petkai nan sa bet siya po kadon ka dukan di siya badan iwi kon mene bangayo i tengok sa di siya tu. So see you there. This is Don Bosco and Mother Mary, and what surprised me is this lady is a Hindu lady, but she really loved Mother Mary because she see the rosary that I put there in my bicycle. Then she was showing her rosary on her neck, and she asked me this medal because or this card because it has Mother Mary, and look how she embraced our Mother Mary because she really loved her. This viewpoint is called microwave viewpoint because of the wave we got from the wind. The wind is very strong up here, and here are youngsters. They are from the college and they have come here by walking, and I come here by cycling. And this mountain is similar to our Lum Kalang we have there in Mairang because it is fully covered with a huge and big rock. And this is my friend from Uganda. Yeah, we just met here and he's very good guy, and that's how we meet, and we talk for a few minutes, and I know a little bit about him. He has been here in Kerala for 30 years. I was trying to make something, but suddenly I saw the trolley bag. I don't know what is there. I will go and see it. That is the trolley bag down in jungle. There's nothing, only something from the hospital. I think someone has thrown. I was too tired to carry the bag on my bag. I made this and I'll try to put the bag here, and yeah, let's see how it works. I think it will work nicely. Of course it did. It works. So now I'm trying to put the bag like that, and then there is a veg, something, papad, and beans, and manga pickle, and then I make something, I don't know what is this. So many items. Kind of a veg, but they'll bring me also omelette. I enjoy. I asked for simple thing, but they gave me many things. I don't know how much it costs, but it's not that costly. 50. It's different from the sambar we got there in the workplace. In the place where I work, it's completely different. The sambar here is tasty and delicious. Just look how big this egg it was. She gave me such a huge egg piece omelette. The west side, beautiful mall. It has so many fashion clothes there. I went once there to do some shopping. That's a beautiful church, but couldn't see nicely. Look, silent street. When the blue night is over my face and the dark side